Hello everyone, welcome back to Kele Kitchen. Yes, what do we have in today's video? Today's video is going to show us how to make a perfect wheatmeal fufu. Yes, are you struggling to get a perfect wheatmeal fufu? Stay tight, this video is for you because I'll be telling you the tips on how to make a perfect wheatmeal fufu that you're gonna love and enjoy. If you are interested in this video, just stay tight and let us go into the kitchen. Hello beautiful people, welcome. If today is your first time, this is Kele Kitchen. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please, I would like you to do one thing, just subscribe to our channel, comment, like our video, put on your notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much, and I appreciate all your support. Thank you very much. Yes, so for you to get a fluffy wheatmeal fufu, all you will be needing is just your wheat flour and a hot boiling water. So I'll be dropping 8 tips that you're gonna follow to achieve a good and fluffy, healthy, perfect wheatmeal fufu. So the last one, don't miss it because the last one is a game changer. So in a hot boiling water, gently you'll be adding your wheatmeal. As you add gently, you mix, add gently, you mix. So tip number 1 is always use boiling water, not warm water, boiling water. Tips number 2, add wheatmeal gradually as you mix, not all at once. Tip number 3, stir continuously to avoid lumps. Yeah, you must stir continuously. Then tip number 4, use a wooden spoon or spatula because the harder the spoon is, you can be able to mix and turn your wheatmeal very well so that there will not be any lump. Tip number 5, reduce the heat after you have mixed it. Reduce the heat and allow it to steam. As you can see in this video, we have just finished mixing it. So remove it from the spatula, add a little water. This water will help you to steam it now. So when you are going to be steaming it, cover it in the pot on a medium heat so that it will prevent burning. All right, as you can see here, add just little water, cover and allow it to steam. The minutes that you are going to steam it depends on the much quantity you are making. So if you are making a big quantity, so bear in mind that you will allow it to steam for a longer minute. All right, make sure that it is steaming on a low medium heat. Then tip number 6 is turn and press to achieve a smooth stretchy structure. As you are mixing it, you see, you keep turning, mix and turn, mix and turn. You see, you turn it. As you are turning it, you are achieving a stretchy mixture. Then tip number 7, do not add too much water because you know wheat flour doesn't have much starch. All right, so as you mix gently, you add your water like as we have said. When you add too much water, then the starch will not hold again. It will be too watery. When you are molding it in your hand, you will not like the texture. All right, then the last tip, like I said, I'll be telling us is, yes, you're gonna have a lovely, delicious prepared soup. That is the last. Please, can you answer this question? What is the use of making fufu when you have not prepared a delicious soup? Yeah, so tip number 8, you must first of all prepare a delicious soup. So please tell me, what is the use of you making a fluffy wheatmeal fufu without having a delicious soup that you can pair it with? Yes, so you must first of all prepare a delicious soup. You can prepare okra soup, egusi soup, vegetable soup, draw soup, any soup of your choice. It goes well with any swallow. Yeah, so click on the link above. You will see some of the soup you can pair this fufu with. Yes, so when you are done making the fufu, just share it proportionally Then go ahead and enjoy and serve the fufu with any soup of your choice. And you'll come back later to thank me of having achieved a good and a fluffy fufu. Please subscribe, share our video and comment, and I will see you in our next video. Thank you so much and bye.